bite the snook?
Oh.
That's a big snook too. That's a keeper snook. He's in that tree. I'm done now. No. That was so stressful. It's a redfish. They both had a fish on them. Decent size. Little redfish. Big one. Good job, Kelly. It's a big red, isn't it? Nice redfish. Your cork's all messed up. Don't break the line. Gotta be real easy. Put the rod a little closer to the fit. There you go. That's a big one. On a shrimpy. At 24. Oh, it's 25.
Hey, yeah. You want a picture of that?
Stand right there and hold them. Oh, it just broke off.
Oh, man,
That was the 30 century I was talking about.
oh.
They live up in there. So I know where my snook are now. That was a toad.
Dude.
Just had another one. It's a nice redfish. Funny how they just sit in that cove and we're right next to them. Right when you jiggle it, a red came out. It's a snook. It just takes jiggling the cork to get him excited.
That was funny.
Little pop pop, Snooky comes out. Well, he's not the one that broke my line.
Nope. That was baby.
Oh my.
He was right there. Already.
There's a whole school of snook right there. I watched him eat my jig. Oh, there goes a red. Put some heat on him. That's a good fish. Real right. Right. Get him right. Get him right. There you go. See how you popped it and that snook came out? There you go. You got him. It's a little guy. Snook fishing's fun, ain't it? That's a good size one.
Not a keeper though, right?
Nope. He came right out of that shadow. Got a picture of him? It's a snook. You find the bait, you find the snook. No, he's a little guy. Pop your bobber. Here, you fight this one. That's a big one.
Jeez. Maybe like that. What is it? We're gonna have one.
The grass slowed him down for you.
Your thing is still on the...
Got our slam finally. I got the first trout. He's
Like
not,
you're getting me a massage.
he's not a keeper, right? I wasn't even looking when I went under.
I hope it's dead set.
That's a keeper.
This is a lot longer. Listen.
What you doing, Kelly?
I lost my gulp touch.
Trout aren't that hard to catch.
It's a baby.
Yeah, 'cause it's your pole. Gulp and thunder. Don't get easier than that.
Gulp and who?
Gulp and thunder. Throw it out and you pop it. And it's under. Got one.
Okay.
Here's under. Real faster. Keep the rod still. Kelly got a trout. Look at that.
The dude.
That's a keeper. Okay. Well, I'm just laying trout over here. What are you doing?
Just taking it all in, Bob. Just taking it all in. It'd be nice if you catch a keeper.
You lost your trout touch. It's okay.
It's not my fault you don't take me fishing.
Are you gonna get this one in the boat? That's a lizard. Ah!